Hi, I'm Neil, and today we will be unboxing the Arlo Video Doorbell. The Arlo Video Doorbell is a wired doorbell and requires that you have an existing doorbell and chime at your home. This is the Arlo Video Doorbell. It records HD video and is optimized for the front door, so you can see a person from head to toe or a package on the ground. Attached to the doorbell is a flat mounting plate. You'll need to use the included release pin to remove the flat mounting plate prior to installing your video doorbell. This is the angled mounting plate. This plate provides a better view of your walkway if your doorbell doesn't face an ideal direction. The angled mounting plate is completely optional. Here's the power kit. This will be installed and connected to your existing doorbell chime. This is the screw kit. And here are wire extensions if you need longer wires to install the doorbell. The Quick Start Guide helps walk you through the initial setup steps for your Arlo Video Doorbell. Please check out our installation video for information on how to set up your Arlo Video Doorbell.